and welcome back. I'm Zay with Xude, and today I want to bring you a practice for when you're on the go. No matter if you're a student, a parent, or just somebody that's always on their feet, I wanted to bring you a practice that you can tap into anywhere at any time, and that's pretty easy and beginner friendly. Let me know what you think of this practice, and then maybe give me some suggestions for future practices as well. Let's get into it. Let's begin this practice by coming to the front of our mat or standing on your feet wherever you are. And once you're here, just getting your body moving, rotating your hips, rolling out your wrists, opening up your spine. Reverse. Let's take a few deep inhales and exhales as you extend your arms over your head. Internally rotating your shoulders. Deep inhale, breathing through your stomach. Deep exhale, lowering your hands down. Inhale, bring your arms over your head. Exhale, release. A couple more times. Inhale. Exhale. Now, as you inhale, this time, bring your arms behind you, sending your hips forward, coming into a back bend. Feel free to place your hands on the back of your thighs. And exhale, slowly bring your chin to your chest as you fold over your knees. Gripping onto your elbows and relaxing here. Inhale, halfway lift, pressing onto your knees, externally rotating your shoulders. Exhale, placing your hands on the sides of your feet and stepping back. Once you're here, lengthening your spine, pressing your crown forward, shoulders back, engage your core. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tucking your elbows in, chaturanga down. Upward facing dog. And downward facing dog. As you exhale. All right, now slowly walking your feet towards your hands or hopping. As you fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rolling your body all the way up. Arms above your shoulders. And exhale. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, stepping back into a plank. Chaturanga down, upward facing dog. Pressing and folding, downward facing dog. Bring your knee to your chest, curling your spine. Stepping your right leg out to the left as you come onto your left heel and reaching your left arm over your body. Wild thing. Twisting back, kicking your right leg up. Now stepping and bringing your right foot in between your palms and warrior one. Open up, warrior two. Reaching your front palm back. And bring your elbow inside your knee as you extend. Straightening out your leg as you fold. And lowering onto your knee as you lunge. And pressing back and fold. Forward, lunge. Doing this a couple times at your own pace. Right now, once we're in a lunge, we're gonna place our hands onto the earth, pressing into your foot, kicking your leg back, and stepping into a downward facing dog. Oh, strengthening your core, really tapping into your breath. Inhale, bring your knee to your chest. Exhale, let's kick up into a three-legged dog. Inhale, knee to chest, stepping your leg out. Coming onto your right heel. And extend. All right, coming back. Kicking our leg up, three-legged dog, stepping your left foot in between your palms. Warrior one. Opening out to the side of your mat, warrior two. Inhale, reaching your front arm over your body. Exhale, bring your elbow to the inside of your knee. And extend. Folding over your knee as you extend your leg. And bringing your palms to the earth as you lower your right knee. Coming into a lunge. It is so hot out here. I'm sweating. Whoa. Press into your hips, press into your heel, and fold over your left knee. Pressing back into a lunge, doing this a couple times at your own pace. And planting both hands on your mat, stepping your left foot back. And now we're on our hands and knees. Let's find some relief in a child's pose, bringing your toes together, extending your arms out in front of you, and resting your third eye on the mat. And slowly bringing your arms to the right, really reaching through your left arm from your shoulder all the way to your palms. Feeling the stretch from the root all the way into your fingertips. Relaxing your neck and your jaw. Inhale, coming back to center. And moving to the left, extending your right arm. Lengthening. Finding deeper breaths in your body. And center. walking back up, sitting on your heels, rotating your neck, your shoulders simultaneously. Reverse. Oh, coming back onto our hands and knees. Maybe doing a couple cat-cows at your own pace. Remembering to find what feels good for your body throughout this practice. I'm just here to guide, but you're welcome to move however you need to. And let's extend our arms out in front of us as we walk our hands, extending our spine, chest towards the earth. Taking our left arm, bringing it underneath our right as we thread the needle, relaxing our shoulder and our ear on the mat, and rest. For a couple more breaths. Pressing your palm by your nose, unthreading the needle, left arm over your shoulder as you counter stretch. And doing the same thing on the other side as you extend your arms out in front of you. Chest towards the earth. Taking your right arm, bringing it underneath your left as you extend and rest. And pressing up and counter stretch. And exhale, lower. Moving out your hips, shoulders, your neck. And we're gonna do our final stretch before we go into a freestyle flow. Coming onto the long side of the mat, extending your knees outward, coming onto your elbows or just staying on your palms, lowering down. Once you're here, just pressing into your elbows or pressing into your palms, shifting your hips back and maybe slightly arching your spine. Taking a moment to breathe here, relaxing your neck and your jaw. For a few more breaths. And pressing into your palms, bringing your toes together. Bringing your knees together. Maybe folding, but taking the next 5 to 10 minutes to move however you would like. Feel free to pause the video. I'm going to suggest another video of mine for you to continue your practice. Whenever you're ready, coming into a comfortable seat of your choice. Finding a moment of stillness within your body, within your breath. Taking deep inhales through your nose. Deep exhales out of your nose. Deep inhale. Thank you so much for showing up for today's practice. And until we meet again, peace.